In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export videos in high quality from Kapwing. Let's dive right in and go through each step to ensure you get the best possible video output. First, head over to the Kapwing website. Just open your web browser and type in kapwing.com. This platform is fantastic for creating content efficiently, offering an array of tools to help you edit and produce videos with ease. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed with logging in. If you haven't signed up yet, you might need to create an account, but for now, we'll assume you already have one. After clicking Sign In, you'll see several options for logging in. For a quicker and more seamless experience, choose Sign In with Google. This option allows you to use your existing Google credentials, speeding up the process without the need to remember another password. Once you've clicked on this, a new window will pop up, prompting you to select your Google account. Click on the account you wish to use, and Kapwing will take it from there, securely connecting to your profile. Now that you've logged in successfully, it's time to select your project. Find your way to your dashboard or the project folder and choose the project you want to export by clicking on it. This action will direct you to the editor page where you've been working on your video. With your project open, look for the Export Project button, which is usually visible at the top of the screen in the editor view. Clicking this button will take you to the Export Options menu. Here you'll want to choose Video as your export format to ensure that you are exporting the video file itself. Once you've selected Video, you'll see a list of available resolutions. This step is crucial for exporting in high quality. If you have access to a premium Kapwing account, you can choose up to 4K resolution for the highest quality output. However, 720p is a commonly used standard resolution that balances quality with file size for general purposes, so let's stick with that for now. Click on 720p, then adjust the compression settings to high quality to maintain as much detail in your video as possible. With your resolution and quality settings configured, click on Export as MP4. This format is widely compatible with most devices and platforms, ensuring your video can be easily shared and viewed by others. Once the export process is complete, the last step is to click on Download to save the file to your computer. Congratulations, you have successfully exported your video from Kapwing in high quality, ready for sharing or posting online. Remember, mastering these steps takes practice, but soon you'll be exporting like a pro.